Dreaming of an epic adventure in Cambodia? Picture ancient temples straight out of a movie and immersing yourself in a culture that's truly unforgettable. But let's be real, there's also the worry of overspending, falling into tourist traps, and running into unexpected hassles that can turn a dream trip into a stressful experience. Many travelers have experienced these concerns. That's why this guide breaks down 10 essential tips that will save serious cash and help travelers navigate Cambodia like a total pro. These are the secrets many wish they had known before their first trip. So, if you're ready for the adventure of a lifetime, minus the headaches, let's get into it.
First up, money. It's one of the most confusing things for first-timers because Cambodia basically runs on two currencies, the Cambodian Riel, KHR, and the US dollar, USD. It sounds complicated, but the fix is easy. Think US dollars for big things, and Riel for small things. Hotels, tours, and meals in tourist areas are almost always priced in USD, but the tricky part comes when you need change for anything under $1. Since US coins aren't used, your change will almost always come in Riel. The common unofficial exchange rate is 4,000 Riel to 1 USD. So if your coffee is $1.50 and you pay with a $5 bill, you might get back $3 in USD and 2,000 Riel, or, in many cases, you'll receive the full 14,000 Riel with no USD at all. A good rule of thumb is to always carry a stack of small US bills. 1s and 5s will be your best friends. They help you avoid awkward situations and prevent you from getting stuck with a poor exchange rate. Also, make sure your dollars are crisp and clean. Old or torn bills are often rejected.
Tuk-Tuks are everywhere in Cambodia, and honestly, they're the best way to get around the cities. They're fun, breezy, and cheap if you do it right. The headache? Getting overcharged. The number one rule of Tuk-Tuks is to always agree on the price before you get in. There are no meters, so a driver might throw out a high price hoping you don't know any better. For a short ride across town, you shouldn't pay more than $2 or $3. A great money-saving hack is to use ride-hailing apps like Grab or PassApp, which operate in Phnom Penh and Siem Reap and give you a fixed, fair price up front, so there's no need to haggle. We used Grab on our second day in Phnom Penh to visit the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum and the Choeyoung Ek Genocidal Center. The entire trip, from our hotel near the riverside to both sites and back, cost only $10 total. No need for a contract or pre-booking. We just ordered a ride through the app whenever we were ready to move on. If you're interested in learning more about these historical places, check out the dedicated video linked in the description, or watch for the pop-up at the end of this video.
If you only eat at the tourist joints on Pub Street in Siem Reap, you're not just missing out on real Cambodian flavor. You're also paying way too much. The real secret to saving a ton of money is to eat where the locals eat. Street food here is incredibly delicious, safe to eat, and so cheap it feels like a steal. You can even get a hearty, flavorful local meal in restaurants for just $1 to $3.
If you're interested in experiencing a traditional Apsara cultural show in Cambodia, you don't need to book a fancy venue or pay for expensive tickets. These graceful, classical dances are a highlight of Khmer culture, telling stories from mythology and history through elegant movements and colorful costumes. In Siem Reap, many restaurants and hotels host free Apsara performances, just like the one you're watching now. The best part, you only need to order a drink or a meal to enjoy the show. There's no extra cover charge or hidden fees. It's a budget-friendly way to immerse yourself in Cambodian culture, see the dancers up close, and enjoy a relaxing evening without spending a fortune.
And speaking of saving money, here's another tip. When visiting Angkor Wat, it's best to purchase your temple pass one day before or in advance from the official website, angkorenterprise.gov.kh. Avoid anyone selling cheap Angkor tickets, as these are often scams or invalid. Here's a breakdown of the ticket options. A one-day ticket, costing $37 allows you to explore the temples for a single day. A 3-day ticket, $62 lets you visit on any 3 days within a 10-day period, and a 7-day ticket, $72 allows you to explore on any 7 days within a 30-day period. Buying your pass in advance helps you skip long morning lines and can even include a free sunset visit at select viewpoints. For a completely hassle-free experience, consider booking a shared tour bus through Get Your Guide or Klook for around $15 for a full-day trip. The bus picks you up from your hotel, takes you to 5 major temples, and drops you back afterward. Super convenient and far cheaper than hiring a private driver. Or, if you're traveling with multiple people, you can negotiate with a tuk-tuk driver to take you around for a set period of time. With a group, this often becomes very affordable and gives you more flexibility to explore at your own pace. And one final tip for timing your visits. Visit Angkor Wat at sunrise to see it bathed in golden light. Then head to Bayon after 9 a.m. when the sunlight illuminates the iconic stone faces and brings the temple to life.
Cambodia is a large country with many regions to explore, but most travelers focus on its 2 main cities, Siem Reap and Phnom Penh. Choosing the right area to stay can greatly impact your convenience, safety, and overall experience. Siem Reap, for short trips or first-time visitors, staying near Pub Street or the Old Market area, city center, is ideal. These locations put you within walking distance of restaurants, bars, night markets, and tour operators, making it easy to enjoy both the vibrant city life and the nearby temples. Phnom Penh, convenient and tourist-friendly, stay near Riverside or Don Pen. These neighborhoods put you close to the riverfront, cafes, shops, and major landmarks, making it easy to explore and soak in the city's vibe. Picking the right neighborhood saves travel time, cuts transport costs, and ensures a comfortable, hassle-free stay while helping you make the most of your visit.
Most shops in Cambodia offer laundry for $1–2 per kilo, so you can travel light and keep your clothes fresh. Packing less makes moving between hotels and tuk-tuks easier and leaves extra space for souvenirs or local finds. Traveling light keeps your trip comfortable, stress-free, and budget-friendly.
If your schedule allows, try to spend a weekend in Luang, Prabang to experience the vibrant weekend night markets. These markets are packed with local food, handmade crafts, and unique souvenirs, often accompanied by cultural performances. It's a budget-friendly way to immerse yourself in local life, sample delicious street eats, and pick up one-of-a-kind gifts. If you're interested in seeing more of this lively market, check out our dedicated video. The link is in the description of this video.
ATMs in Cambodia often charge about $5 per withdrawal, which can add up quickly if you rely on them frequently. To save money, either withdraw a larger sum at once or bring enough US dollars with you for your trip. Many places, especially markets, small restaurants, and tuk-tuk drivers, prefer cash payments, so having cash on hand makes transactions quicker and easier. It's also wise to carry a mix of small bills, such as $1, $5, and $10 for daily expenses and tipping, since vendors often cannot provide change for larger bills.
Getting into Cambodia is straightforward, but a little preparation goes a long way. First, all travelers must complete the Digital Cambodia e-arrival card, CEA. This should be filled out online within 7 days before arrival, and is free when done on the official government website, arrival.gov.kh. Next, you'll need a visa. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your arrival date. Most nationalities can obtain a visa on arrival at major airports, $30 for a tourist visa, valid for 30 days, or $35 for a business visa. To save time and avoid potential delays, it's highly recommended to apply for an e-visa online before your trip through the official website, avisa.gov.kh. Processing usually takes 3 to 5 business days, and having it in hand makes your arrival much smoother and stress-free.
Cambodia is one of those destinations that can completely steal your heart, as long as you travel smart. With the right preparation, a few insider tricks, and the tips you just learned, it's easy to avoid common headaches, save money, and focus on what truly matters: the temples, the culture, the food, and all the unforgettable experiences. Whether it's navigating tuk-tuks, enjoying street food, exploring Angkor Wat, or relaxing by the river, these 10 tips will help anyone travel with confidence and enjoy Cambodia like a seasoned visitor. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the related video on your screen for more fascinating content. Explore our channel for even more exciting videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. to Globe Gazette for more incredible stories. Your support means everything to us. We look forward to seeing you in the next